Welcome to the final part of our Cadillac vs. Land Rover series. Thank you for visiting us, and many thanks to those who have subscribed, liked, commented, and shared our videos. In Part 3, we'll conclude our comprehensive comparison and provide the definitive verdict. Stay tuned for the ultimate decision. Value for money comparison. Now, let's compare the value for money offered by Cadillac and Land Rover across their respective models. While both brands offer luxurious vehicles, there are some notable differences to consider. Cadillac emphasizes a perfect balance of luxury, performance, and affordability. Their models often come equipped with advanced technology, spacious interiors, and powerful engines, delivering a premium driving experience at a relatively competitive price point. On the other hand, Land Rover focuses on creating SUVs with unparalleled off-road capabilities and a sense of adventure. While their vehicles may have a slightly higher price tag, they offer ruggedness, exclusivity, and the iconic Land Rover heritage, catering to those seeking the ultimate in off-road prowess. Ultimately, the value for money aspect depends on individual preferences and priorities. Cadillac provides luxury at a more accessible price range, while Land Rover offers a unique blend of luxury and off-road capabilities. Assessing your needs, budget, and desired driving experience will help determine which brand aligns better with your expectations. Reliability and maintenance. When it comes to choosing a vehicle, one of the crucial factors to consider is reliability and maintenance. After all, you want a car that not only performs well but also won't let you down on the road and requires reasonable maintenance costs. Let's look into the reliability ratings of Cadillac and Land Rover, as well as compare their maintenance costs. Reliability ratings of Cadillac. Cadillac, known for its luxurious and stylish vehicles, has made remarkable strides in improving its reliability in recent years. According to various industry sources and customer feedback, Cadillac's reliability ratings have been generally positive. The brand has focused on enhancing the quality and durability of its vehicles, resulting in fewer issues and breakdowns. While it's important to note that individual models may have varying levels of reliability, Cadillac has made significant efforts to address any recurring problems and improve overall performance. By incorporating advanced technologies and rigorous testing, Cadillac has aimed to provide drivers with a dependable and trustworthy driving experience. Reliability ratings of Land Rover. Land Rover, on the other hand, has a reputation for producing rugged and capable off-road vehicles. However, when it comes to reliability, Land Rover has faced some challenges. The brand's reliability ratings have been somewhat mixed, with certain models demonstrating better reliability than others. Although Land Rover has implemented measures to address reliability concerns, such as introducing extended warranties and improving component quality, there are still occasional reports of mechanical and electrical issues. It's worth noting that Land Rover's focus has been primarily on off-road performance and luxury features, which may contribute to its reliability ratings. Maintenance costs comparison. When considering the maintenance costs of Cadillac and Land Rover vehicles, it's essential to take into account various factors, including the model, age, mileage, and specific maintenance services required. Generally, luxury vehicles tend to have higher maintenance costs due to the use of premium parts and features. Cadillac, with its improved reliability, has taken strides to provide vehicles that require reasonable maintenance costs. Routine services such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake inspections are typically priced in line with other luxury brands. However, specific repairs or component replacements may still incur higher expenses. On the other hand, Land Rover vehicles often come with higher maintenance costs. The complexity of their engineering, advanced off-road capabilities, and luxury features can lead to increased servicing expenses. Additionally, sourcing genuine Land Rover parts may contribute to the overall maintenance costs. It's important to note that regular maintenance and timely inspections are crucial for both Cadillac and Land Rover vehicles to ensure optimal performance and longevity. By adhering to the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and addressing any issues promptly, owners can help minimize unexpected repair costs. Customer satisfaction and reviews. When it comes to purchasing a luxury vehicle like a Cadillac or Land Rover, customer satisfaction plays a crucial role. Knowing what other customers have to say about these brands can help you make an informed decision. In this section, we will delve into the ratings and reviews of both Cadillac and Land Rover, and then compare their customer satisfaction levels. Ratings and reviews of Cadillac. Cadillac has built a reputation for crafting stylish and powerful vehicles that exude luxury. Let's take a look at what customers have to say about their Cadillac ownership experiences. Many customers praise Cadillac for its elegant designs and attention to detail. The performance of Cadillac vehicles, particularly their powerful engines, is often highly rated by drivers. Customers appreciate the comfortable and luxurious interiors of Cadillac models. Some reviews highlight the advanced technology features and safety systems that Cadillac offers. Resale value is a commonly mentioned positive aspect, with Cadillac vehicles holding their value well. Ratings and reviews of Land Rover. Land Rover has long been synonymous with off-road capability and rugged elegance. Here's an overview of the feedback provided by Land Rover owners. Customers often rave about the exceptional off-road performance and handling capabilities of Land Rover vehicles. The luxurious and comfortable interiors, often equipped with high-quality materials, are frequently praised. Land Rover's commitment to safety features and advanced driver assistance systems also receives positive feedback. Some customers appreciate the versatility and spaciousness of Land Rover models, perfect for adventurous families. The brand's iconic design and strong brand image are often highlighted by Land Rover owners. Comparison of customer satisfaction. Both Cadillac and Land Rover have a loyal customer base, but how do they compare in terms of overall customer satisfaction? Let's examine some key factors. Design and styling. Cadillac is known for its bold and modern designs, while Land Rover offers a more rugged and timeless aesthetic. Ultimately, personal preference plays a significant role in determining satisfaction in this area. Performance and capability. Land Rover's off-road capabilities give it an edge in this category, satisfying adventurers and those in search of off-road thrills. Cadillac, on the other hand, boasts powerful engines and a smooth driving experience. Comfort and luxury. Both brands excel in this aspect, providing plush interiors and top-notch comfort features. However, Cadillac leans more towards stylish elegance, while Land Rover emphasizes a blend of luxury and ruggedness. Technology and safety. Cadillac often integrates cutting-edge technology and safety features into their vehicles, while Land Rover focuses on advanced off-road capabilities and driver assistance systems. In conclusion, the comparison between Cadillac and Land Rover has shed light on their distinctive features and advantages. Cadillac stands out for its luxurious design, cutting-edge technology, and superior performance, making it a top choice for those seeking a premium driving experience. On the other hand, Land Rover offers exceptional off-road capabilities, ruggedness, and versatility, appealing to adventurous spirits and outdoor enthusiasts. Ultimately, the decision between these two iconic brands depends on individual preferences, lifestyle, and priorities. Whether you prioritize elegance and sophistication or crave exploration and ruggedness, Cadillac and Land Rover have vehicles to suit your needs. Explore further, test drive both, and make an informed decision to find the perfect vehicle for your unique journey. Thank you for following our 3-part series on Cadillac versus Land Rover. We've covered design, performance, safety, pricing, and customer satisfaction. If you found this series valuable, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Easy Driver. You're now fully equipped to make an informed decision between Cadillac and Land Rover. Until next time, happy driving! Thank you for watching.